All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a dishwasher from the inside and the outside. Currently, right here, I just happen to have a Bosch dishwasher that I'm going to show you how to clean on this specific one. All right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to, of course, open up your dishwasher like I have right here, and you're going to want to remove all of the dishes that are in here. Make sure you remove these right here, because it's going to get in the way of when you're trying to clean it. So after you remove the dishes, you're going to check the inside of the dishwasher. And what I like to do is I like to see if there is anything down here like plastic, forks, or food, and go ahead and just remove them from the bottom or wherever they are inside of the dishwasher. All right, so once you have done that, we're going to want to clean the filter of the dishwasher. All right, so we're going to go ahead and access the filter. On this particular one, it's right at the bottom, and you just twist it to come up. Now, depending on your model, you may have to do something different to remove this filter right here. And so after I remove the filter, I'm just going to put it aside, and if there's any food or anything down here, plastic or anything, you're going to want to remove that. Now that can get plenty nasty, so you may want to get some gloves on before you do that. So once you've done that, removed any food that is at the bottom or anywhere in there, I'm going to take the filter and I'm going to come up, and if it's not too bad, I'll just go ahead and rinse it with water to get off any food or debris. Now, if the food or debris is really heavy on here and it can't come off with just rinsing, I will take a toothbrush and try to scrub off the food that's on the filter. Now, if there's calcium buildup, I will take this filter off or fill up a cup with vinegar, white vinegar, and then just dip this and let it sit in there overnight in order to get the calcium buildup off of that. Then I'll just go ahead and scrape it. And after you scrape it, it's important to rinse it with water to get off all of any of that vinegar over there so it doesn't mess up the inside of your dishwasher, especially if it is stainless steel. So after I've done that, clean the filter, I'm gonna go ahead and come back in here, put the filter back into place. All right, so once it's in place, we're now going to go ahead and push back in the racks. Okay, make sure the racks are all pushed in, no food or anything caught up in there. And then we're going to add a detergent specially made for cleaning the dishwasher. And the detergent that I'm using is a Fresh. Of course, there's other detergents out there for cleaning the dishwasher. This is the one that I just so happen to have right here. So this is a Fresh dishwasher cleaner. It says powers away lime scale, mineral buildup, for maximum machine performance. All right. And in this right here, it gives instructions on the back where it says without dishes, place one tablet in detergent tray. Now, it's very important. The second part of this, it says if significant buildup is noticeable, a second tablet can be placed at the bottom of the dishwasher. Okay, so I'm looking in here. There's not significant amount of buildup in here. So I'm just going to take one tablet. See the tablet come in packs right there, but I already have one pulled out on the side right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the compartment where the soap usually goes when I do a normal wash. All right, so I'm going to close that. Now, if it's really heavy buildup, I'll put one in here as well as one down at the bottom of right there. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and then just run the cycle as I normally would. All right, so just go ahead and run it as I normally would and close it. Now that cleans the inside. Now you're facing the outside. Now with some dishwashers, you can simply just wipe it down with a wet, damp cloth and get rid of all the stuff that you need to. Or some dishwashers, you can actually spray Windex on and it cleans it really nice. However, this is a stainless steel dishwasher. So what I'm going to use is some Weiman's stainless steel cleaner and polish. And so what I do is I just go ahead and spray some Weiman's on here. And then I go ahead and take a dry cloth and just go ahead and wipe it down and get it nice and clean using the Weiman's stainless steel cleaner until it has a nice sheen to it, just like that. And that's how you clean a dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.